Discover the electric torque wrench trusted by American construction workers and auto shops. It loosens rusty screws in just 2 seconds and removes a tire in 10. Certified by both American NRTL and international standards, it features an imported German brushless motor delivering 650 Newton-meters of torque. Tested by Washington auto shops, it can remove a tire in 10 seconds. Made from aluminum titanium alloy, it's lightweight and corrosion-resistant, staying as good as new even after 10 years. The industrial-grade lithium battery charges rapidly in 30 minutes and provides 6 hours of powerful output. With a hardened alloy gearbox tested for 100,000 impacts, it embodies the durability of German engineering in every screw fastening. Whether you're removing rusty bolts in car repairs or securing high-altitude constructions, this tool exceeds expectations in challenging conditions. Order now for exclusive discounts from the Washington flagship store, with free shipping for first-time buyers, plus a 10-year warranty and 30-day free return and exchange service.